Next, units of measure. It is very important. Can expect this question for 5 marks. Sometime ask for 2 marks also. Stock items are purchased or sold on the basis of quantity. The quantity is measured by units. Hence, it is necessary to create a units of measure. Okay, unit is very important. Okay, how many units? Okay, example, pen. How many pens you purchase? 2. Okay, to then how many kg? Okay, how much kg you purchase, like this, the kg. Okay, pieces, dozen, all are the units, all are very important. You need to create a units of measure for all the stock items. Okay, you need to create a units of measure. There are two types of units: simple and compound. Simple unit and compound unit. Simple unit, you can have simple unit such as numbers, meters, kilogram, pieces, etc. Compound unit is like box, where say one box equals 10 pieces. Okay, in one box there are 10 pieces are there. One dozen, 12 pieces. In one dozen, nothing but one dozen is the compound unit. Pieces nothing but simple unit. 1 kg, kg is the compound. Thousand gram, gram is a simple unit, like this. Okay, what is the step? How to create? Okay, how to open units of measure? Go to gateway of tally, inventory info, units of measure. See here, gateway of tally, inventory info, then units. Then you can create. Let's see how to create units of measure. Creating unit of measure. Go to gateway of tally, inventory info, units of measure, create. Then type simple. Okay, there are two types, simple and compound. Okay, if you want simple, select simple. Then symbol is kgs, meaning is kilogram, number of decimal places 3. Okay, so here type nothing but symbols of two types, simple and compound. Tally default to simple. By default it displays simple. If you want compound, you can select it. If you want to change to compound, use backspace to go back and select compound. Just press backspace, then you can select compound from types of unit list. Symbol, define the symbol of the units, example numbers. This symbol is used in all displays and printouts. Okay, the unit is numbers, or you can take gram also. Okay, pieces also, all are the symbol. Formal name, specify the formal name of the symbol. Okay, here NOS means what? Numbers. Okay, like this. Kg nothing but kilogram. Okay, PCS nothing but pieces, like this. There you can give formal name. The number of decimal places, how many decimal places you want. If you want to use the unit in fractions, decimal point, say for kilogram, you may have used the grams as well. Specify the number of decimal places. Okay, then compound. Compound unit is, okay, let's see first how to create simple unit. Okay, let's see how to create in tally. Okay, go to inventory info, then units of measure, click create. By default it displays simple. Okay, example, if you want pieces, PCS, shortcut way. Okay, can create. If you want to specify number of decimal places, you can specify. Okay, like this, gram. Okay, like this. Next, compound units. Compound unit is a relation between two simple units. Hence, before you create a compound unit, ensure that you have already created two simple units. Example, you want to create compound unit as 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Kg and gram, both are the simple units. You have to create both. Then you can say 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. And similarly, dozen. 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces. Okay, like this. There are two simple units numbers and DO Z, dozen. Now define the relation between numbers and dozen. Okay, 1 dozen nothing but 12 numbers. Okay, 1 dozen equals 12 numbers, like this. Use the up arrow or backspace to highlight the type field. Select compound from the pop-up menu. By default it displays simple. If you want to create compound unit, press backspace or up arrow mark. Okay, so here compound units with multiplier fractions. So here first unit is dozen, conversion is 12. Second unit is 12, nothing but what? 1 dozen equal to 12 numbers. Clear, no? Select compound from the types of units in the type field. Select dozen in the first unit from the units list. Enter 12 in the conversation field and select numbers in the second field. Accept yes to save. Okay, here first unit DOZ dozen, conversion is 12 numbers. Okay, let's see how to do in Tally. Okay, suppose example you want to create dozen. So first you create dozen as simple. Okay, then backspace, then select compound. Then first unit is dozen equal to 12 pieces. Nothing but what? 1 dozen equal to 1 dozen is 12 pieces. 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces. Then accept yes, like this. Okay, similarly 1 kg. Kg if you want to create, first you create kgs as simple. Okay, formal name kilogram. Okay, like this, kilogram. Okay, then compound 1 kg equal to 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. 1000 gram, like this. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram, like this. Accept yes. Clear, no? Like this you can create simple and compound units. Okay, if you want you can display whichever the units are there. Dozen of 12 pieces, gram, kg of 1000 gram, kg pieces, like this. You can display all. You can alter also. Okay, if you want to alter, you can alter. Okay, instead of shortcut DZN, you want to alter it, you can alter. Clear, no? Okay, display, how to display? Go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, units of measure, display. You can alter also. Okay, gateway of Tally, inventory info, units of measure, alter. You can alter also. You can delete also. To delete units of measure, go to alter. Okay, gateway of Tally, inventory info, units of measure, alter. Then select the unit which you want. Then press Alt D. Okay, units of measure, alter. Example pieces you don't want, assume. Okay, select the pieces, then Alt D. Okay, you can delete it. Clear, no? Okay. Okay, in next video I'll explain stock items. Okay, thank you.